Okay, how do I get down? So I have this small problem. Well, it's actually getting bigger by the minute. I have many books and nowhere to put them, but there's a lot of space. So I'm gonna make some bookshelves. Have you ever encountered so many problems throughout doing something that you almost gave up? Multiple times. Okay, so I spent a whole day designing this thing, an entire evening gathering supplies, finding studs in the wall, measuring, and I feel like it's all gone down the drain. To help me deal with some anger last night, I went for a bike ride, and also a good night's sleep helped me find a solution to my problem. The original design was too complex for floating shelves, for like large floating shelves. Too many studs to drill into, too many holes to line up, and I didn't feel confident about that at all. So instead, I'll just make a single small shelf fastened in two places, and if I want to expand and add more shelves in the future, it won't be a problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in the past, I would have quickly given up after trying and failing. But I'm very satisfied how this project had turned out, and I have new confidence to go out and fail. And this project had reminded me to sleep on problems, plus embrace the bumps in the road in order to come up with a better solution. I want to thank Iken for being my first Patreon. And if you would like to support what I do, head over to Patreon, link is in the description. Thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next one.